Hi, I'm Lucas from Live Mi Vida Loca, and I am a special showcase, and I have another special showcase right here, and it is called the iCaddy. So, you know how if you have your tablet, and you're just like, you're watching the show, and then, like, your hands get tired if you hold it like this, right? So this is what it was meant for. So the way that you use this is, you open it like this, then, so this is supposed to be facing backwards always. So you just put it right here, you get your tablet, you put it like this, and now you can actually watch your show without having to like hold it. But what I think is really cool is that it comes with its own HDMI cable. Wait, not an HDMI cable. I mean a charging cable and earphones. So this is a charging cable, but it's not any charging cable. It was something else I could show you right now. But it comes with its own earphones, which I think is really cool. Like look, it says iCaddy right here. So I think that was super cool. So all you have to do is just put it back. And as you can see, I already took this off so I can get the charger out. So this is an additional charger. So if you're going on like a plane or you're going on a trip and there's no charging cables and your tablet died, so all you have to do is just get your charger. This one. So you have to connect this part to here, just like this, and then you get this part, and then you connect it to a wall. So this charger is to charge this charger, and then all you have to do is just get your charger that comes with the tablet usually, and connect it to here, and then all you have to do is just, so saying your tablet is dying. Oh no, I'm dying. You get your little charger that comes with it. Put it. Usually charge it before you go on an airplane. So you just charge it before you get on an airplane, and then you should charge the tablet too before, so you have extra battery. So you just do that, and then it runs out. You could get this charger, and then you could just charge it. Oops. You could just charge it like that, and then boom, everything's working fine. But what I like mostly about this is that it doesn't just come like this, just like tropical flowers, I guess. I don't know what it's called. It comes in different patterns, but this is my first one, so I don't know what other patterns it comes with. So tell your mom and dad to search up iCaddy on Google. And then, then you should tell them that they should buy it because it's really useful for your iPad if you have one. I mean, so, bye, see you next time. Which is, I don't know, because I'm a special showcase. Bye. Watch more videos of Live Mi Vida Loca. Bye.